Environmental Impact Assessment (EIA) is a systematic process used to identify, predict, and evaluate the potential environmental effects of proposed development projects before they are carried out. It helps decision-makers understand the environmental consequences of their actions and choose alternatives that minimize environmental damage. Key points about environmental impact assessment. 1. Definition of EIA. Environmental impact assessment is a formal process used to predict the environmental consequences of proposed projects and suggest measures to reduce negative effects before project implementation begins. 2. Legal requirement. In Zimbabwe, EIA is a legal requirement under the Environmental Management Act for certain large-scale projects like mining, dam construction, and industrial developments to ensure environmental protection. 3. Identification of impacts. EIA involves identifying potential environmental impacts such as deforestation, air and water pollution, soil erosion, and displacement of communities that may arise from proposed projects. 4. Public participation. One of the critical elements of an EIA is public consultation, where local communities, interest groups, and stakeholders are engaged to voice their concerns and suggestions regarding the project. 5. Alternative project options. EIA processes require the consideration of different project designs, sites, and technologies to find the least environmentally damaging option for a proposed development. 6. Mitigation measures. Through EIA, developers are required to outline strategies for reducing, avoiding, or compensating for the adverse environmental impacts identified during the assessment. 7. Decision-making tool. EIA provides decision-makers with a comprehensive report detailing environmental, social, and economic implications of projects, helping them make informed approvals or rejections. 8. Environmental Management Plan, EMP. An outcome of the EIA is the development of an environmental management plan, which outlines how identified risks will be managed and monitored during and after project implementation. 9. Monitoring and compliance. After approval, projects are monitored to ensure that environmental safeguards suggested in the EIA are followed and that unforeseen impacts are promptly addressed. 10. Sustainable Development Goal. The overall aim of EIA is to promote sustainable development by ensuring that economic growth does not occur at the expense of environmental health and community well-being.